Good morning. First one of the day. We'll dip right in at the deep end, as they say. This is a Triumph Tiger1200. Belongs to the head of the LMRC Riders Club. He organizes all their rides. We did do this bike when it was new 2.5 years ago. He had the full ceramic treatment, but as you can see, this bike is heavily used and put away wet, as they say. Anyway, this is in for one of our full Monty valets with a whole dose of XCP clear coat. We're gonna get this all cleaned up, polished up, all those discs sorted. Thank God it's the mag wheel model and not their dreaded spoke wheel. But we'll get all that grime, grit, dirt off of there. We'll polish up that exhaust like new. Looks like he's had new discs put on the front, thankfully, but we'll try and see if we can get those exhausts all minted up. It's got a bit of rust appearing on these crash bars. We should be able to polish that off. Like I said, we'll get a whole dose of corrosion protection on it. I will do a machine polish on that windscreen, get it looking like it should, and get it protected for the year ahead. Let's get cracking. Let's get it washed, get some snow foam on it, get all these contaminants off, and we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. There you go, another trot full Monty in the books. Triumph Tiger 1200 has been fully trotted. Oh my God, what a transformation on this beast. This does get used quite hard. He does lots of tours for groups of bikes. Now fully trotted, lovely coating of XCP clear coat, keeping any corrosion at bay. Little XCP on all the banjo bolts just to make sure to keep them rust free. It's a 23 plate. Like I said, I think it's got 30,000+ miles on it. We did do this from new, so that's why it's got no rust on it. All the tar that was all built up underneath there has all been removed. Trust me, there was loads of it. All the motor, everything's been meticulously clean. All these calipers, all the front of the exhaust have been polished. And like I said, a good misting of XCP. I did do a single stage polish on that black paintwork just to get a nice bit of depth and gloss back to it. All done. Another one in the books. Get yours booked in now. Open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.